The world of space exploration is on the brink of a major revolution. Scientists, engineers, and private companies are working tirelessly to develop rockets that can take humans beyond Earth's atmosphere in ways never seen before. But what is the reality behind these new rocket launches? When will they actually take off? Will people be able to fly in the air like birds in the future? And if these missions succeed, what will it mean for the future of humanity? Currently, space agencies like NASA, SpaceX, Blue Origin, and other private companies are testing new generation rockets that could change the way humans travel. The dream of flying into space is no longer just for astronauts, it may soon be available to ordinary people. But before we get carried away, let's analyze the facts and challenges that come with this revolutionary technology. First, let's address the most common question: when will these rockets actually launch? The answer depends on several factors, including technological advancements, safety measures, and financial investments. Some companies have already conducted successful test flights, but making these flights commercial and accessible to the public is a different challenge. While some experts predict that space tourism will become a reality within the next 5 to 10 years, others believe it might take longer due to unforeseen challenges. One of the biggest concerns is the cost. Space travel is incredibly expensive, with ticket prices ranging from hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars. Companies are working on ways to reduce costs by developing reusable rockets, but even with advancements, space travel will remain out of reach for the average person for many years. Another critical question is whether people will be able to fly in the air like birds. The simple answer is no, not in the way we imagine. Rockets and space vehicles operate on complex physics, requiring powerful propulsion systems to break through Earth's gravity. Unlike science fiction movies, where people casually float around in the sky, real-life space travel requires sophisticated technology, protective gear, and advanced life support systems. But what if these projects succeed? If companies manage to create reliable, cost-effective, and frequent space travel, it could change the world forever. We could see space hotels, research stations, and even colonies on the Moon or Mars. Scientists believe that in the future, people might even consider space travel as a common mode of transportation. However, this future depends on technological breakthroughs, economic feasibility, and public interest. Another crucial aspect is safety. Rocket travel is risky. Even the most advanced space missions carry the danger of technical failures, explosions, and environmental hazards. SpaceX and Blue Origin have made great progress in making spaceflight safer, but there is still a long way to go before commercial space travel becomes as routine as air travel. So, when can we expect the first wave of space tourists? Some companies, like SpaceX, have already planned missions for private citizens. Billionaires like Jeff Bezos and Richard Branson have already taken short trips to the edge of space. But for regular people, mass space travel is still far from reality. It could take decades before it becomes an everyday possibility. Now, let's talk about money. The initial cost of launching a rocket is extremely high, running into millions of dollars. Even the cheapest space tourism tickets are priced at around $250,000 or more. However, as technology improves and demand increases, prices might eventually drop, making space travel more affordable in the long run. In conclusion, while rockets and space travel are making incredible progress, the dream of flying freely in the sky like birds remains a fantasy for now. However, space exploration is rapidly advancing, and if successful, it could redefine the future of humanity. Whether or not this happens in our lifetime remains uncertain, but one thing is clear: the journey to space has only just begun.